subjugation of the Marathas. That is, war with the Marathas. In the 1770s, an intense power struggle started among the Maratha chiefs. Taking advantage of lack of unity between them, the British interfered in the internal affairs of the Marathas. This led to three Anglo-Maratha wars in 1775 to 1818. From the late 18th century, the company also sought to curb means to restrain or keep in check, and eventually destroy Maratha power with their defeat in the Third Battle of Panipat in 1761. The Marathas' dream of ruling from Delhi was shattered means exhausted. They were divided into many states under different chiefs. Chiefs means Sardars, belonging to dynasties such as Scindia, Holkar, Gaikwad and Bhonsle. These chiefs were held together in a confederacy, it's a league or alliance, under a Peshwa. Peshwa means principal minister, like chief minister, who became its effective military and administrative head based in Pune. Mahadji Scindia and Nana Fadnavis were two famous Maratha soldiers and statesmen of the late 18th century. The Marathas were subdued means depressed in a series of wars. In the first war that ended in 1782 with the Treaty of Salbai, there was no clear victory. The British failed to make any substantial gains in the first Maratha war, but in the second Maratha war, they became successful in weakening and isolating the Maratha chiefs. The second Anglo-Maratha War, 1803-5, was fought on different fronts, resulting in the British gaining Orissa and the territories north of the Yamuna River, including Agra and Delhi. Finally, the third Anglo-Maratha War of 1817-19 crushed Maratha power. The Peshwa was removed and sent away to Bithur near Kanpur with a pension. The company now had complete control over the territories south of the Vindhyas. Repeating again, the late 18th century saw the company curb and eventually destroy Maratha power. The Marathas were defeated in the Third Battle of Panipat in 1761 with Ahmad Shah Abdali, and their dream of ruling from Delhi failed. They were divided into many states under different chiefs. Chiefs means Sardars, belonging to different dynasties like Scindia from Gwalior, Holkar from Indore, Gaikwad from Baroda and Bhonsle from Satara, Kolhapur. The Maratha chiefs were held together in a confederacy under a Peshwa. Peshwa means principal minister, chief minister. The Marathas were busy in a series of wars. In the first war, which came to an end in 1782 with the Treaty of Salbai, no side won the war. The second Anglo-Maratha War, 1803-5, was fought on different fronts. It resulted in the British winning Orissa and the territories north of the Yamuna River, which included Agra and Delhi. The third Anglo-Maratha War of 1817-19 crushed Maratha power. The Peshwa was removed and sent away to Bithur near Kanpur with a pension. The company now had complete control over the territories south of the Vindhyas. It's clear?